Managing initiatives can be a source of stress. Setting up a simple process for participants, promoting the initiative, receiving and sorting submissions, sharing them with jury members, and notifying the results. Is there a way to manage all of this at the same time? Yes or no, perhaps? 𝗴𝗶 is a B2B SaaS company that enables organizations of all sizes to deploy and manage a secure online portal that is collaborative and reflects their brand. Our mission is to support digital transformation and effectively make our clients' initiatives more accessible. With 𝗴𝗶, you can now manage all your initiatives with a single tool. Design and digitize all your initiatives easily on a private and secure interface. Enhance your brand image with a public interface that is ergonomic and easily accessible for everyone. Form design, information message, validation step, control of received documents, and payment step. Each initiative is designed and structured to be effective in optimizing the daily work of everyone. 𝗴𝗶 allows you to work as a team with collaborative tools. Regardless of the size of the organization using it, the platform can meet the needs of different teams. The platform also enables you to automate all time-consuming actions. Add tags, schedule your follow-ups, notify your collaborators. The possibilities are endless. Organize public or private evaluation sessions, select and sort the collected submissions, and highlight the information that interests you at the right moment. With 𝗴𝗶, you can now easily and effectively design and manage your projects and initiatives from A to Z. Follow us on social media for tips and the latest news from 𝗴𝗶, and stay updated with the latest updates.